Hey everybody, Dean Hernandez. Wanted to shoot a video about this program that I started the other day, and it is going nuts. It's going viral. If you can copy and paste, you can make money with this program. With that being said, quick disclaimer, that's really all up to you. It just all depends on your work ethic and how much work you put into this program, but it's very, very simple, okay? There are no monthly fees. These are all one-time payments, and you can get paid multiple payments daily. I'm talking about, let me just show you what I'm talking about. So this is my page here. You can connect with me on my Facebook. You want to ask any questions, but basically to get started, there's just 3 steps here. You just join one of the levels. You start posting ads. We show you exactly where to post these ads. Depending on what level you get in, you'll get more information and more training. But you post ads, and when people respond to your ad and they're interested, you get paid. You get paid 100% commission straight to your account. You can add up to 3 different accounts to your website. Um, this really, guys, is for anybody starting off. You can be a professional marketer, you can be a beginner. It doesn't really matter, but you have 3 levels here, and then you have a one-time admin fee. Okay, you pay for the level. If you start here, you start at the $50 level, you'll be earning, $50 commissions. If you start here at the $150 level, you'll be able to earn the $50 and $150 commissions. I joined at the pro level so I can get all 3 commissions. Just because what happens is if you decide to join here at the 150, somebody that you get in comes in at the $300 level, they're going to be passed up. This $300 will be passed up to your sponsor, because the sponsor, whoever purchased the $300 level, um, purchased it, so you don't get paid that. So I suggest highly that you come in at the $300 level. Okay, guys. Right now you can pay with credit card, Cash App. If you pay with Bitcoin, you can copy this Bitcoin address. Just make sure that if you pay with Cash App or Bitcoin, that you contact me via Facebook and just let me know your information so I can send you over proof of payment, because we have to send proof of payment when we're to get the website going. So in earning potential, there's, depending on which level you come in, of course, there's different earning potential here. This is based on number of sales per day. Okay, so $50, you get 1 sale per day. You're making $1,400 a month. Uh, as you can see, it increases dramatically if you join at the other level. So if you make 1 sale per day, that's $4,200 a month at the elite level. And then at the pro level, if you come in at the pro level and you just make 1 sale per day, that's $8,400 a month. That's crazy. It's insane. People are making this income on a daily basis, because they're just, I mean, it's just too easy, guys. It's too easy. So basically, you just join at whatever level that you're comfortable with. You can start at whichever level you want, but I do highly suggest you start at the $300 pro level, and then go ahead and contact me on my Facebook here. Just click on that and it'll take you to my account, and you can go ahead and just send me whatever questions you have. And I'll be making some more videos about this, guys, and in the near future. So go ahead, comment below. Please subscribe to the channel if you like what you see, and we will talk soon. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.